Hi guys, this is Eugene. Today, we're going to work on a piece of brisket short rib. Unlike the other part of the meat, its reputation precedes itself. This is widely regarded as the must-have for special occasions. In this video, I'll debone the short rib and trim it into smaller pieces to accommodate lazy pants like myself. We might as well go all in when spending on something special. Let's drill. Beef ribs consist of 13 pairs of bones. That makes it one more pair than what we humans have. The first 5 pairs behind of the head are called chuck short ribs. The 3 pairs behind of those are called brisket short ribs. And the last 5 pairs are back ribs. The chuck short ribs tends to have bold beefy aroma in marbling rich meat. This part is also known as the 4-bone short ribs or chuck short ribs too. The chuck short ribs are a popular choice when it comes to braising or marinating in Korean cuisine. Not to mention that it could be sliced into budget LA short ribs as well. Westerners would usually take it a bit further and use it for smoked ribs or roasts. The brisket short ribs are the real stars of the ribs as well as to this video. It's considered to be the most sought after part thanks to the rich marbling and tender texture. For Koreans, they refer to this part as a flower short ribs as the marbling pattern resembles the shape of flowers. This is also sliced along with the bones to be marinated and grilled too. Surprisingly, this particular technique is found all over the world. It's known as the flanken ribs to Jewish people and it's usually cooked along with the various herbs and tomatoes. Maui-style ribs resemble so much of the Korean kalbi from the source to the final dish. It's got several names such as brisket short ribs, plate short ribs, flanken ribs, and Miami ribs. When it comes to the way this cut is handled, the technique is known as flanken cut, Maui cut, Hawaiian cut, Korean cut, and Miami cut. Finally, the back ribs is the most active part among all the ribs, thus less in marbling while being chewy. It is most widely used in Korea as a soup meat since the meat becomes very tender and the bone creates a rich broth when cooked long enough. The back ribs are divided into smaller sections to serve various barbecue and stewing purposes in the West. Let's get to the hustle now. We're starting off by cleaning up all the debris and liquids off the vacuum bag as always. We'll start by deboning the meat. You can cut along the thin fat layer between the bone and the meat. It's a rather simple job compared to deboning shanks, however, we should still always be careful. The fat layer will be removed after deboning is done. Lastly, we'll finish the job by slicing the meat into bite-sized portions. Let's start deboning by slicing the thin layer at the edge of the piece. Remember these membranes from the brisket point video last time? That's exactly what we are separating again. Of course, the job is a bit tricky since we are dealing with the curvy bones. Be careful with your hand. Yes, we're almost done. Maybe I should have recorded a video making instant noodle with a whole slab of this. The bones can be used for making soup later. I'm guessing most of the viewers here don't have the bandsaw at home, so might as well we just take out the finger ribs. Just make sure these fatty parts in the center of the bones are removed. Believe it or not, this is the highlight of the show. Let's trim the fats and any leftover membranes on the surface. Then, we'll cut it in half, based on where the bones were. I'll try to be more careful this time, considering how premium of a cut this is. It's gotten much smaller than the beginning, eh? Let's get to the fatty layer. I'm cutting the portion in half. These thin ones are our takes today. I think I can only use 2/3 of this slab. Let's get to the show. It'll be cut into about 1/3 inch thick slices. This beauty here is the reason why I cut meats. Fats, bye bye! So, this video was all about trimming boneless brisket short ribs. Good things always come at a cost as always. But what really counts is the effort people put in to serve us the best piece of the meat like this. Also, please take serious precaution as we are dealing with the knives. Things appearing in the video and the reality are never quite the same. Otherwise, feel free to share your thoughts and feedback. I'm always ready here to respond to your questions and thoughts. Your subscription is always as appreciated as the rich marbling in the meat too. Thank you very much and see you soon!